If you're on the hunt for a coffee maker that blends convenience, style, and a flawless cup of coffee, this Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker might just be the answer to your morning coffee needs. Whether you're an avid coffee drinker or someone who loves a cup now and then, this machine promises to deliver a rich, smooth brew that is as quick as it is flavorful. Let's break down why the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker is a top contender for your kitchen, and how it's engineered to give you a perfect coffee experience every time. The first thing that stands out about the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker is its elegant design. Combining a black base with stainless steel accents, this compact coffee maker blends perfectly with any modern kitchen. It's designed with small spaces in mind, ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or homes where counter space is a precious commodity. Coffee enthusiasts often complain that small coffee makers compromise on flavor. But Capresso didn't cut any corners with this model. The 5-cup capacity might sound small, but it produces rich, bold coffee that competes with larger machines. The gold tone filter is an eco-friendly feature that ensures no flavor is left behind. Unlike paper filters that can strip some of the oils responsible for the deep, rich taste, this permanent filter guarantees you'll enjoy the full flavor profile of your beans. This not only saves money in the long run, but it also means you'll reduce waste, a win for your taste buds and the environment. We've all experienced rushed mornings when every minute counts. One of the standout features of the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker is its 24-hour programmable timer. With this, you can set the coffee maker to start brewing before you even wake up. Imagine walking into your kitchen to the delightful aroma of fresh coffee. No waiting, no fuss. The digital LCD display is user-friendly and makes programming simple, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Whether you prefer to wake up at 6 a.m. or sleep in till 9 a.m., your coffee will be ready when you are. Another impressive feature is the drip-free pouring spout. With a glass carafe that's designed for a smooth, mess-free pour, you'll never have to worry about spilling coffee on your counter. The ergonomic handle adds to the ease, making it comfortable to hold and pour without worrying about any slips or spills. The internal water level indicator allows you to measure precisely how much water you need for your preferred number of cups. It takes out the guesswork, ensuring you brew just the right amount of coffee every time. After your coffee is brewed, the non-stick warming plate keeps it hot for up to 2 hours. So whether you're brewing for one or sharing with someone else, you won't have to rush to finish your pot. The warming plate keeps your coffee at the perfect drinking temperature without burning it, maintaining its flavor integrity. And if you forget to turn it off, don't worry. The machine automatically shuts off after 2 hours, providing peace of mind. Why choose the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker? Compact yet powerful, small size without compromising on brewing quality. Eco-friendly, permanent gold tone filter eliminates the need for paper filters, saving you money and reducing waste. Programmable convenience, brew whenever you need it with a 24-hour timer. Mess-free, drip-free pouring spout and easy-to-clean components make this machine incredibly user-friendly. Stylish and functional, its sleek, modern design is ideal for any kitchen setup. Who is this coffee maker perfect for? If you're someone who values a fresh cup of coffee in the morning without a lot of hassle, the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker is an excellent choice. Its small size makes it a perfect fit for smaller kitchens, and its programmable features ensure that you won't waste any time waiting for your coffee to brew in the morning. It's also great for eco-conscious individuals who prefer using a reusable fusible filter over disposable paper filters. Whether you're a solo coffee drinker or share with a partner, this coffee maker delivers exceptional results in a compact package. Its 2-hour auto-shutoff and programmable timer make it ideal for busy individuals who need their coffee ready exactly when they are. While the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker excels in many areas, it does have a couple of limitations. For one, the 5-cup capacity may not be enough for larger households or gatherings. If you're looking for a machine that can brew a large batch, you might want to opt for a bigger model. Additionally, while the gold tone filter is excellent for flavor, you may need to clean it regularly to maintain peak performance. However, for individuals or small families who appreciate the combination of compact design and high-quality brewing, these aren't deal breakers. Final verdict: should you buy it? Absolutely. The Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a small, efficient coffee maker that doesn't compromise on flavor or convenience. Its sleek design, coupled with smart programmable features, makes it a top contender in the mini coffee maker category. From its eco-friendly gold-tone filter to its drip-free carafe, every detail is designed with the user's convenience in mind. If you're someone who values fresh, flavorful coffee and wants it without the hassle, this machine is worth every penny. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.